how to reset your forgotten Steam password and recover your Steam account. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to reset your forgotten Steam password and recover your account quickly. If you're locked out of Steam, don't worry, I've got you covered, so let's get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser and go to store.steampowered.com. Now simply tap on three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen and simply go to login. Here what you need to do is simply tap on help I can't sign in. Now choose one of the following. I'll be choosing I forgot my Steam account name or password. Here what you need to do is simply enter your email address or phone number associated with your Steam account. And simply click on search after tapping on I'm not a robot. Now choose whichever you prefer. I'll be choosing email and account. Now you'll get an email with a recovery link. Simply open it and tap on the link. Simply click on resume recovery and open Chrome. Now you'll be simply able to create a new password. Just select your account. Tap on reset my password. And here you just need to create a new password. Enter a strong new password. Make sure it's at least 8 characters long and with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Confirm your new password and simply tap on click change password. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your Steam account.